Ghetto youth, you hear me? They are on poolside right now, I chill with my brethren them. I'm home and they upstairs. Bro, stay far from badness and fuckery, yeah? Please. Focus on yourself, dog. Make the man drown out and go in a gun, but go fire the shot and beat upon yourself, dog. Love life and love God, brother. That my wish for you, you see me? Prosperity and long life. You see me? No bad man thing and a little loose thing, bro. And if you know you used to do them things, they still you have to go watch your head back, you know, cause remember sometimes when you lay your bed, you have to lie in it. But brother, especially talking to the youth, them where I think about fit on bad man, I want fit on bad man. Not for the schoolers and think that are the way. That another way mother get a girl. Locked down with a woman bedroom. Believe me, take it from me, dog. You see me I say sing a blinger? See me I say Lenny? Bro, straight to them and I tell you no lie, dog. That a code, you hear that? I'm out.
Banging, watch out now, what I go on? My viewers, my subs. Welcome back to the channel. Here I say man, do me a favor, leave a like on this video. Subscribe if you haven't. Click that bell and turn on all notifications so that when you drop fresh new content, you will be notified. And watch out man, viewers and subs. Vybz Kartel said a strong message to the youth. A strong message. As I say. I want like the message what the DJ has said. Yes man. I like the message what the artist has said. As I say, you know what them say? The youths of today becomes the man of tomorrow. You know what I mean? And you know there's no better person to tell the youths them to change them ways or lower certain bad company than someone with them idolize. You see me I say? And you know, in the past, you know, Vybz Kartel did an interview on stage where he said that if you, the people, the fans, are waiting for Vybz Kartel to raise your kids, you already lost as a parent. You see me I say? Well, we're glad for say Vybz Kartel not really say that anymore, because you know, in the eyes of the people, you will have such a strong influence over, you know what I mean, the fans, you see me? The young kids who idolize you. You see me I say? So them always are saying, oh, Vybz Kartel if you speak more, do more in terms of like, you know, try to help steer the youth into a positive mindset.
But you have a lot of followers, would you say? Wouldn't you agree?
I have quite a lot.
And correct me if I'm wrong, you were quoted in an article in one of the local papers as saying that the people will respect and honor and even act on just about everything you say, certain fans. Do you agree?
Yeah, I agree, but you have to understand, you know, Winford Williams. Vybz Kartel is not the first to do anything, and I won't be the last.
Yes.
As is the case with skin bleaching.
But whether you like it or not, Vibe, you do have, and you have accepted that you have a lot of attention, the attention of the youth, the kids in particular in the inner city, who you say you're mirroring their reality. Bleaching was there way before you came along.
True.
You glamorize it. And now, and you talked about the economics. The reason why people were doing certain things back when was because of lack of education, lack of economic opportunities. Those realities are still here today. Some of these kids are not educated enough to understand.
But that would not be the fault of Vybz Kartel. That would be the fault of the system. That's what I'm trying to say. It has nothing to do with Vybz Kartel, the artist, skin bleaching. It has to do with the system.
But don't you think you have a role in that system?
No, right? I don't. Listen to me.
You don't have a role in
no,
you don't have a social responsibility?
No, Vybz Kartel has no social responsibility, but to deliver good quality music because I'm an entertainer.
Yes.
Note well, I'm not a social leader, nor a political leader, nor a religious leader. Vybz Kartel is an entertainer. I get paid to entertain. And all of this is entertainment.
But you are a social leader. You are a business leader too, because the Portmore Empire is a business.
It is,
and you are offering leadership.
One. Yes, I'm offering leadership through music.
Yes.
I'm offering leadership through entrepreneurship.
Yes.
It has nothing to do with being a social leader. I'm telling you. It has nothing to do with being a social leader. I always tell this to people in interviews. If you, for example, Winford Williams, looking to Vybz Kartel to be a role model for your child and to grow your child, you have already lost as a parent. And that says a lot about your parenting
But
skills.
isn't that part of our reality? That is a very unfortunate
True,
truth.
very true. But that's why I'm saying all blame should be laid on the system. It has nothing to do with Vybz Kartel.
The system is
Causation,
not short of blame
correlation.
from us, from Jamaicans like myself and others. The system is not short of that.
Them could have fooled me.
But Vibe, we will agree with you that
Vybz Kartel cannot take the weight of the world on his shoulders, and I refuse to do that.
But take one little piece, man.
No, I refuse to do that. Vybz Kartel is an entertainer. I get paid to entertain. All of this, watch this. Cool, like me watch my face with the cake. So this is entertainment. At the end of the day, when Vybz Kartel goes home, Vybz Kartel is a DJ Palmer, the father, the baby father, the citizen.
You see me? Because sometimes when them hear I sing the gun song, maybe, when I say them easy, no, maybe they might be influenced by that. You see me? Which means I believe in that. You see me? I say, I believe every youth have a choice to make when they grow up, you know, right from wrong. You see me? I say, because you know, I watch the movies and the TVs, and we never really say, yo, we just watch a Rambo show, so you know, we're going to just, you see me? I say, do a Rambo do. You see me? No. So, even though them say music have a little more, is a little more different, but you know what them say, what more of an impact, something where you hear and something where you see. You get to me and say, so, you know them always say, you know, the movies, the visual things where you see, would have a more impact on the youths. So right now, it's a good look for see Vybz Kartel change him stance on that. You know what I mean? Because you know, he's a man who been through hell and back. So I'm been through it. You see me I say, so I make the youths them know say, I make the man say, no, no, go pick up no tool, play no fool, you see me I say, and go shoot, kill, rob. So I could know straight, you see me, as a man like that who been through hell and back, he might make all of the youths know say, no pick up no tool, go farm no fool, you see me, no make no man tell you nothing. You see me I say, if you go slap one man, you see me, they have to end up at jail or end up, you know, taking out yourself. You know what I mean? Or somebody go hurt your family. You know, because you know what all them say, you see me, you can't catch a quack or you catch him shot. You see me, I say, so it's a very good look for see Vybz Kartel or change him stance on that. You see me, I have to compliment the DJ for that. You see me, I say, good move, good message. You see me, I say, I like the vibe, positive energy. You see me, I say, you know, the DJ I chant him songs and, you know, from day to day, I say, yo, I got on time. We like say that, we like the positive Vybz Kartel. You see me, I say, we like say that, we like how the artists, you know, come out of jail now and I change him life, you see me, and I put positive message out there for, you know, the people them can see him in a different light. Because you know, as they do anything negative, they're going to talk the negative. But when they do positive, they're not going to talk about the positive. So, we like the Vybz Kartel and we like how the artists, you see me, I change it up. We like how the artists are sending the message them out there to the youths. As like I said before, the youths of today are the man of tomorrow. You know what I mean? Why not play a part and, you know, influence the kids them to, you know, to do the right. You know what I mean? Because you know, the artists bleach him face. You know, people are bleach him face. The artists sing about Clarks pan foot. Them go buy Clarks. Clarks price gone up. So if you can influence that for maybe you can influence some good. You know what I mean? So once I big up to the artists. As I may say, for the positive vibration. You know what I mean? Hope the youth them listen. Hope the youth them take heed what the artists are say. As I may say, I make no man say that you go farm fool, pick up no tool, and end up the wrong place. You see it? Because as I said before, them man they been through hell and back. So he might the right person to tell you that. You know what I mean? So, you know, and just about just the music. You know, you have to listen. No one listen to the music and not say, yeah, that song they bad. With the artist just strap. You see me? But open you can hear this and say, yo, this for the artist push. I say it real good and a real talk. You see me? Positive moments, positive vibration. And just this right there at the end of the day. You know what I mean? So I want to say big up to Vybz Kartel. You see me? I say for the message to the youths. You see me? It's only right. You see me I say, as you hear him say, some man were already up on the part there. Him can't really say, yo, left out certain things again. Maybe you can try change and you know, but you already make a bed. So if you make a bed and now watch it, you know what can happen to you. I say yo, you change your life now after you done do how much wrong things already. You know what I mean? Man I look for you when you do things, or man family or man friend I look for you when you do things. And I go on do your back things. You see me I say when you drop your guards, I must say, you know, some man, if they make them bed them off go late night, you see me I say, already depend on part there. You see me? If you have to change your life, you have to take away yourself from certain things, because things still can reach you if you're still around the environment, the same type of situation. You see what I say? So, you see me? You have to, if you make a bed, you have to just lay night and just so it come down. You see it? So yes, man. Like always, like, comment, share, hit the notification bell for further updates and videos. Banging, watch you know.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing what you know! The world I forget the stats, you know. You know it's what you know, me, and it's Warlord, Sky Star leader. Kaboom! What you know.